Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We are super excited about our upcoming school year. Welcome back, Eagles. Our mission, East Natchitoches will educate, empower, and encourage all students to succeed in challenging environments and beyond. We are safe, organized, attentive, and respectful. Health and safety are the #1 concerns for our students and staff. At this time, students will remain in static groups and teachers will transition from class to class. Temperature checks will be given each day upon students and staff arrival to school. If a student shows signs of fever or illness, they will be escorted to the team wellness room for further screening by Nurse Mayu. Parental contact will be made. Sanitation. The school will showcase CDC signage to encourage hand washing and social distancing. Dispensers for hallways are already mounted and students and staff can use it at that time. All classrooms are equipped with sanitizer and disinfectant products for cleaning. Students will sit in assigned seats that are 6 feet apart, and we will wear our mask and clean our hands at least every 2 hours. Our Soft Start week begins next week. If your last name ends with A through C, we will see you Monday, D through J, Tuesday, K through O, Wednesday, Thursday, P through S, and on Friday, T through Z. If you are face-to-face, we will see you soon. Our face-to-face Soft Start, wear your mask. CDC and LDOE guidance says that neck gaiters are not permitted. Bring your school supplies and water bottle. A list of bus routes are on our Natchitoches Parish School Board website. No hoods on in the building. Our shirt colors are navy, white, and red. Bottoms are khaki and navy. Backpacks are clear or mesh only. We are getting ready for an amazing school year, so let's talk about what it looks like for a life as an Eagle. You will arrive to school by bus or car or walkers at 7:20 with your mask on. Your temperature will be checked by our thermal camera. You can pick up your breakfast at our breakfast grab and go station and then walk to your classroom. All desks are 6 feet apart from your friends. At 7:50, you will hear morning announcements. As your classmates enter the classroom, feel free to wave at them. Our teachers will provide an amazing instructional day, and you cannot wait to start Hatchet and the Making of a Scientist. Your instructional day will begin and your mask will stay on during learning. When you go to the restroom, you will use the restroom. You will stand at a certain spot in the hallway for social distancing, and please remember to use soap and wash your hands. Please bring a water bottle and you will be able to fill it at our water bottle stations because we will not have traditional water fountains anymore. You will go to electives and attend PE. Then when you return back to your classroom, our amazing cafeteria staff will be serving lunch in your classroom. And after you finish eating, you will throw your food away and your trash away in the hallways that are in the hallway, and you will see trash cans available. Your teacher will switch rooms and your other teacher will come into your classroom because we will no longer switch classrooms. The teachers will switch classrooms. And at the end of the day, our amazing secretary will call for buses and car line, and we will dismiss, remembering to wear our mask and to social distance. Please remember our face-to-face operations. Students will arrive beginning at 7:20 And you will report to the breakfast, grab and go station and transition to homeroom. Students will listen to morning announcements. You cannot share supplies, so please bring your school supplies, and we will remain in static groups throughout the day. Our virtual Eagles, we will see you next week for the iPad and materials drive-through starting August 31st. What do you expect? First, you must complete the school registration process if you have not done so. You will complete the Natchitoches Parish School Board technology forms. You will receive an iPad and curriculum materials. We will sign in Google Classroom, and you will have the opportunity to fill out the meal pickup consent form if you would like for your child to participate in our drive-through food service. It is by appointment only, so if you missed our call, please call us back at 352-4516 to set up a day and a time. Visitors, only essential visitors will be allowed on campus. Please be sure to call and make an appointment prior to coming on campus. Check-in and check-outs will be handled at the door. Parents will sign your child out on our form and provide an ID at the door. Your child will be escorted to you outside. All parent conferences and meetings will be held virtually via Google Meets, Zoom, or phone calls. Eagle reminders, remember to wash your hands, wear your mask, and stay 6 feet apart. We are a Title I school, and some resources that we have purchased with Title I funds include instructional technology, instructional supplies, Learnzillion licenses, workbooks, illustrative math materials, school supplies, copy machines, paper, and intervention resources. Remember that communication is the key. Please join us in Remind. Please join our Facebook page, East Natchitoches Elementary School. Feel free to check out our school website on the Natchitoches Parish School Board website, or call the school at 352-4516, and we are here for you. We are looking forward to a winning season, so on the behalf of my leadership team and the amazing faculty and staff of East Natchitoches Elementary School, we will see you next week. Go Eagles!